Lesson plan, mensuration, perimeter and area. Objective. By the end of the lesson, students should be able to calculate the perimeter and area of basic geometric shapes, including squares, rectangles, and triangles. Materials: whiteboard and markers. Geometric shape cutouts: square, rectangle, triangle. Rulers. Worksheet for practice. Duration: 45 minutes. Introduction: 5 minutes. Greet the students and briefly explain what mensuration is, the branch of mathematics that deals with the measurement of geometric figures. Share the objectives of the lesson, to understand and calculate the perimeter and area of different shapes. Main content: 25 minutes. Perimeter: 10 minutes. Start with defining perimeter, the distance around a shape. Discuss the perimeter of a square and a rectangle. Demonstrate how to calculate the perimeter of each shape using the formula: perimeter is equal to 2 times length plus width. Ask for student participation in solving examples on the board. Area: 10 minutes. Introduce the concept of area, the measure of the space inside a shape. Discuss the area of a square, rectangle, and triangle. Demonstrate how to calculate the area of each shape. Square: area is equal to side times side. Rectangle: area is equal to length times width. Triangle: area is equal to 0.5 times base times height. Solve examples together as a class. Practice: 5 minutes. Distribute geometric shape cutouts, rulers, and worksheets. Have students work in pairs to measure the sides of shapes and calculate both perimeter and area. Circulate around the class to provide assistance. Application: 10 minutes. Bring the class back together. Present a few real-world scenarios where understanding perimeter and area is important, e.g., fencing a garden, painting a wall, etc. Ask students to suggest which geometric shape would be suitable for each scenario and how they would calculate the perimeter or area. Wrap up and homework: 5 minutes. Summarize the key points of the lesson, understanding perimeter and area, and how to calculate them for squares, rectangles, and triangles. Assign a few practice problems from the textbook or a worksheet for homework. Remind students to review the formulas and concepts before the next class. Assessment. During the practice session, observe students' ability to measure sides accurately and apply the formulas correctly. Collect and review the completed worksheets for homework assessment.